wooden ghosts.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Seriously.
Wasn't Jeremy just there? He was talking about RJ Cameron.
No, it's nothing to do with it. It's completely.
Can we go up to the into the pulpit? If that's all right with you.
Walking backwards. Careful, Jen. It could be you, Jackie.
Could be. That's Russell a bit, isn't it? Just think that was me on the board.
What do you think about Jenny being in the pulpit, Walter?
Not getting a tightness here. Tightness here.
Ooh. Whole
That was
food
Jane.
just then moved.
That was
No,
Jane.
that was Jane.
Or was it my bag?
I'm getting tightness here, the muscles here.
What do you mean the pubes moved where you are?
Yeah. And again.
Oh, something messing with the camera. Big.
No, it's the poos.
Pews moving.
Poos just keep jogging forward.
It's not because Jenny's disturbing the floorboards underneath because
Yes,
they're
I
connected,
just-
aren't they?
Not at all. Interesting.
I probably wouldn't do that again for you. Not by request anyway.
Hello? Have you had a nice day today? It's very cold outside. God, very sick.
I feel sick.
Yeah, not because I'm scared, but
I can't understand what it is that's causing that shadow along both sides of you.
there's an energy here, isn't there?
And there's a shadow that's now moved. Whose shadow is that? What about... No, you're in front, aren't you?
Sorry, it's me.
There was... Okay, that's a distance away.
That's in here, it's gone up to 4.8 now.
4.8.
It
Kill.
was 2.5, wasn't it? A couple
Oh,
of-
did someone just wave their hand?
Yes.
Ah, it's your shadow.
So whoever was in here,
After dark in there.
whoever was in here and was making it 2.5 has moved out since I've come up here. Because now it's 4.8.
Make room for you.
Well, I just don't want me here. I don't want to stand next to me.
I'm thinking it might be worth putting the REM pod in that pulpit then.
Yeah, that's what. I suggested that. We can try around, can't we, tonight? I think it's actually quite a good place to put it because it's a narrow entryway as well. Do you want me to move out the way so you can come back here?
There's a tap.
No, I think it's where change setting.
Uh-huh.
Now I've got a really headache on the right side of my head. That's a fox one. Do you want me to move out of the pulpit so you can stand here? Is there something you'd like
Just
to
a sec,
say?
Jen. Just a sec. There's a guy talking there. Carry on.
What, behind my voice?
Yeah, well, I was in between you before you actually said that last sentence. There was someone talking before you. He carried on talking for quite some time.
Yeah, because I think he doesn't like me. Well, he doesn't like standing to. Maybe he just doesn't think there's room for two. We often wonder if they use your voice as a wavelength, you know, to speak.
Possible.
Right then, I'm going to move down from here, and I can test it, can't I? With
There's another voice there.
just trying to find a torch. Yeah, it's me. That's me.
You hearing this?
That's voices, but I didn't know whether that was Jen or not.
Kill, kill, kill me, kill.
You heard that?
The last few seconds, loads of kills.
Well, that's very common.
Oh, but I don't know if it was Jane actually, because she said, what did you say? Oh, thank you.
Well, they don't say nothing like that. It sounded like
So I said, here's your torch, and she said, thank you. Is that right down there you
it
heard?
went on for about, less than 5 seconds. I just thought I saw someone go by then. It went,
Really?
You got that? That's good, because I heard some, but I thought that was
that's exactly how it sounded.
Torgan.
I'm hoping we got that.
So is that down there, that end?
Standing here, it's roughly here, by the door, in between Eddie and myself, about here, this area. Someone did like being up in there.
Okay, I'm just going to sit down so I can probably as well.
I think we should try Jane in there.
What are you here?
Yeah, see how she feels. You've got to go over the neutral mind, don't be influenced by it.
Let's take the temperature. So it's 5.8,
All right,
which has gone up since 15 minutes ago.
right, we'll see how
Put that REM pod by the top of
what was that?
there.
It's alright. Well,
Yeah,
Yeah,
heard that.
I heard that one where it's
Chill.
yeah, I did.
Did you that?
No, it went
Yeah.
exactly what it's saying.
Did you hear that, Sarah?
I've heard that gas before. Yeah. I've got to go near the robot for a minute. I'll replace it in the pole bit.
Is that your stomach then, Sarah?
Right. Just placing this in. That's tripping up. That's tripping up. I'll leave that in there. Testing it. Right. Good. Well, we'll close that door. Right, as far as Jane's concerned, the best place to sit in that seat is right at the far end. See how you feel?
A relate that's been in the middle.
Is it in the middle to the best
A
area?
relate that has been.
That's where Rudy was last time. Now we've got to just be quiet and relax and tell us how you feel. and we'll let you know what we know about it.
I'll tell you what we've got down. I've got one of those little square ones of these, and Jane will be able to see it drops while she's sitting.
Well, no, what we'll do, we won't do it for now, but we'll check it with your infrared from on now, after she's been there for a few minutes. Okay? See how Jane feels, we'll be quiet for a few moments and see how she feels. Might be a bit creepy because we'll see the views, so.
Aha, well done.
It's me making that noise, sorry.
But you know, activity can be a raise as well as a dip in temperature.
Yeah,
Give it a little while.
talking energy, both ends.
Yeah.
Is that you doing that heavy breathing in?
I didn't say anything.
You're not doing heavy breathing?
Nope.
Oh, interesting.
Didn't hear that.
Okay.
Nope. I did it once, but I didn't think that was a fair sound.
I just naturally assumed it was yourself. Okay.
Cool.
That's me.
Can you go up into the pulpit and give us a sermon, please?
Yeah. So are you feeling anything at all, Joe?
You smell anything or could smell something?
How is it you feeling there? Cold? Calm. Uh-huh.
I felt a draft across my face then. What's the temperature, Jane? 5.2, so it's dropped again.
That's me. Damn, those keep whistling.
Sorry?
It's like tapping. It might be the old temperature. That's that kind of thing.
Eddie, I was wondering, would you like to tell Jane a little bit about that haunted pew?
Well, basically, actual poo had different kinds of things that have actually happened in there. Men has been in there. It's been 8 to 9 men.
So what's that, 2 taps and...
Yeah,
Did you hear that? When you were talking, 2 taps?
yeah.
Is that you, Eddie?
Not me.
Yeah.
No, not me.
Okay, sorry, Eddie.
It's been 8 or 9 men that have said that some of them just ran out because they'd just been tears. And they're crying, and when you go outside and chat with them, 2 of them both said the same thing. they haven't felt so bad since their father died. That's literally the most profound sadness that they've experienced. Different other things happen. You can get breaths in there, breaths of air gusting in your face. We call it the Satan huff. I just feel like someone blowing in your face. And different things. Got one girl, only one girl I know of that's actually cried in there. Just one girl. But she said she experienced really, really nasty things and that in there where she saw. And I can only say that she said that there was a woman tied up with like what looked like bit marks on the back. Whether that's correct or not, I haven't heard anybody else say it, but you got to say could be. You never know. So at the end of the day, the actual church would have finished just in this area here behind the pulpit. So this would have been the original church.
Was there a tap?
There was a tap and there was a voice as well. So it went, "Ooh," like that.
But there is a spirit which tends to be quite well known, and that's Mary Ann Cutter.
Mm-hmm.
She's quite an old lady, isn't she? And what's she all known for, Liddy?
Well, we don't actually know much about her apart from the fact that we know that she's there and that quite up here in the church, people have been who didn't used to get her at all. Then quite a few mediums have picked up on Mary. So you can only just say that there's possibly her. Her name seemed to be a big feature inside the church, so maybe she'd come and visit every so often. Don't think she's actually haunt the church all the time. I think that she's a visitor, so that's the one thing about her.
Okay.
Sorry?
Somebody in the front pew there with Jane. Could you touch her, rub her face, let her know you're with her? Thank you, Mary.
I think I'm being told I'm a little bit too warm because I'm beginning to get some gusts, cold gusts into me. I'd only just unzipped my coat because I thought it was quite warm.
It's not our batty friends, then.
Hmm?
It's not our batty friends.
No,
They're not flying around at the moment, are
indeed, I think they're in Highbow.
they? It's still cold. I'm getting a strong smell of urine, but that's bad, so I don't like it. It's just suddenly come on. It's a bit strange when you're standing here for a fair old while, then you get a urine smell.
Can honestly say that I've been there quite a few times and you don't smell at all. So I think you can say that that's spiritual.
Yeah, it's gone now.
I think I was correct, spiritual.
Yeah. So I have sat there in the past and smelled burnt rubber. Myself and someone else I know has they've smelled burnt rubber whilst in this particular area. Smelled burnt rubber. Yeah, it's gone now. It's not here. It's might be it, I'm not sure. Was that you signed, Eddie?
Sorry?
Did you just sign?
Nope. Didn't hear it.
Yeah, that's you breathing out then, Eddie, I think. I think that's you breathing out then.
Been very quiet, but
You got a blocked nose.
yeah, that's not that bad though. The interesting side of it, we do get it, that'll be on the recorder, so I'll know.
Any fishes there? You want to move up forward a bit? You can go up with the spirit to the back of the church.
Yes.
Did someone just go, oh,
Someone go, just then.
aha.
Stand up because my backside's so cold. Coming out now.
There's no reason, is it, really, for that to keep on dropping in the
No, it's quite
natural
isolated
amount of
there.
time?
Yeah, true. I like that smell of urine there.
That must have been really nice.
Yeah, maybe something a bit nicer. It's a little